back to my channel Ravitaba Programming. So in this session, I'm going to discuss about the Java platform independent. So why Java is platform independent and why you could write it once and run it anywhere. This concept is actually completely dependent upon the Java virtual machine, right? Which in short we say it's JVM. So whenever you install any operating system, whether it is Windows, Linux, Android, or any other operating system, that operating system itself incorporates small program of JVM which allow you to run your application. So whenever whenever I compile any Java code, for example, there is a test.java, right? And I compile it with the Java C test.java. It generates another class which is like the the test.class, right? That test.class actually contains the byte code, right? It's very important to understand that the class files are actually the byte code, right? If you see here, this java class, this contains the byte code. The byte code. These are the portable codes which actually executes on the JVM. So the byte code means that your code is 1 byte divide your instructions are divided into the bytes, and 1 byte equal to 8 bits, right? So if your machine has a operating sorry the if your machine has a processor with the 8 bits, minimum 8 bits, right? That means it could take the instruction as a byte code and run that program. So this is very necessary that your processor should have at least 8 bits processor, right? If your processor don't have the 8 bits processor, if your processor is not a 8-bit processor, then you cannot run it. In that case, your your Java will not be platform independent. Remember this, right? But because of the evolution in the processor capabilities, now almost every machine is more than 8-bit processor. So in this case, in my laptop, the processor has a 64-bit, so you don't have to worry about that. So I mean, the 8 bits processor is a, I mean, this is the minimum that standard required. But yeah, nowadays, because there is no uh, chips without, I mean, less than the 8 bit, so you don't have to worry about that. So even if, as we say, that Java programs are running on the different machines, for example, whether it is toaster, whether it is a washing machine, whether it is a any device, right? Any independent running device, those devices actually contains a chip with at least 8 bit or higher than the 8 bit. So those chips can easily run any Java instructions on those machines. So when you compile any Java code, right, it creates the class file with the byte code, which looks like this. These are the instructions. Each instruction size of 1 byte equal to 8 bits. So that can be run on any machine. And JVM, the Java Virtual Machine software, whenever you install any operating system, it always contains that JVM, right? So it's very important. So that's why Java is platform independent. This is the end of this video. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for the more videos like this. I will see you in the next video with another interesting topic. Thank you for watching.